we saw also one letter that was written in 2010 from EFPA, European Federation's Psychologist Association, where they raised concerns about EAP, that EAP did not represent the core of psychotherapy. But now we know that CEPLIS organization, so European Council of the Liberal Professions, recognize both EAP and EFPA as a mono-professional membership. So how does EAP see this recognition? Also, how is affected credibility and its role in shaping the future psychotherapy in Europe? And of course, how does EAP respond to those past worries from EFPA?
I think the psychotherapy organizations and psychology organization within the country and also psychiatrists has to work together for a good mental health. We had in my country we had discussions this more or less the same as you have there, and I'm advocating that the mental health should stand firmly on the three pillars, which is psychiatrist, which probably has to be the coordinator of the process, psychotherapist, and the clinical psychologist. And that's why this would be a solid framework, which I can see that it happens in some countries. So it's not an invention of the EAP, it's actually something that it is existing. What we do within EAP is just to foster the dialogue and to say, let's work together and acknowledge the distinctions which are not only done by the organizations. I cannot imagine, for example, how democratic institutions with as EAP with 128 organizations can be anything but resilient to private inferences. So, because we're in the past were claims that EAP and the academics in the field has some inferences. So the private interest would be anyway everywhere. Medical institutions are has private institutions. Psychologist organizations have private institutions. So the most important thing is that you keep dialogue and democratic process, and then that's why I think we can be on a good path. And sometime in the democracy, the results of that democratic process, we may like it or we may not like it. But I believe we have to stand up and speak up when is needed.